CPE Center for Professional Education.
Hello, good morning, all of you. I am Ch.Praveen Kumar, Senior Economics Faculty in CP Junior College. In this session, I am going to discuss about CA Foundation course Business Economics subject. The paper 4 of CA Foundation course is Business Economics. The paper 4 is divided into two parts, Business Economics, and second one is Business and Commercial Knowledge. In this session, I am focusing on business economics only. Business economics, the main object of business economics is to develop the total understanding of the concepts and various economic theories and applying such theories in problem solving. This business economics partially theoretical and partially practical, whereas business and commercial knowledge is that paper is 100% practical. Business economics, this business economics consists around 5 chapters. The first chapter is introduction to business economics. Second chapter is theory of demand. Third chapter is theory of production and cost. Fourth one is price determination in different markets. Finally, the fifth chapter is business cycles. Now I am going to discuss about the chapter-wise weightage in CA Foundation Economics course. Section-wise weightage for the subject of economics. The first chapter, Introduction to Business Economics. This chapter covers around 15 to 20% of weightage. In terms of marks, 9 to 12 marks. The second chapter is theory of demand, and the third chapter is theory of production and cost. So these are the two different chapters, very important chapters in CA Foundation Economics subject. I am suggesting to students, you need to focus on these two chapters more and more consciously, because of these two chapters covers around 35 to 40% of weightage. In terms of marks, around 21 to 24 marks. And then fourth chapter is price determination in different markets. This chapter covers around 25 to 30% of weightage. In terms of marks, 15 marks to 18 marks. And finally, the fifth chapter is business cycles. This chapter covers around 15% to 20% of weightage. In terms of marks, 9 to 20 marks. Now I am going to discuss about the overview of Introduction to Business Economics and Theory of Demand chapters. So the Introduction to Business Economics deals 2 units. The first unit is introduction, and the second unit is basic problems of economy and role of price mechanism. In unit 1, we have to discuss definitions of business economics and nature of business economics and scope of business economics. Whereas in unit 2, business economic problems and problems of basic problems of economy, a role of price mechanism. And we have to discuss the various types of economies like capitalistic economy and socialist economy and mixed economy. So we have to discuss various types of economies like capitalist and socialist and mixed economy, and how they solve their basic economic problems. The second chapter, this chapter deals 3 different units. This chapter covers 3 different units: Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3. In Unit 1, we have to discuss theory of demand, and unit 2 theory of consumer behavior, which means utility analysis, and third unit is theory of supply or concept of supply. In unit 1, theory of demand covers various demand concepts, meaning and concepts of demand, elasticities of demand, measurements of elasticity of demand, and demand forecasting. And the second unit covers utility analysis, like law of marginal utility, law of equimarginal utility, and indifference curve analysis. Simply, we can say the second unit deals utility analysis, both cardinal utility analysis and ordinal utility analysis. So this second unit covers marginal utility analysis and indifference curve analysis. In third chapter, we have to discuss various concepts of supply, law of supply and determinants of supply, and movements and shifts on supply curve, and elasticity of supply. So these are the two different chapters what I have covered in this session. And finally, my suggestion is students are expected to read at least one financial newspaper or at least one business magazine on regular basis. That's your own wish or your own preferences, either it is Business Times, the Business Economic Times, Business Line, Financial Express, Business Standards, etc. As well as, and students are expected to watch at least business news channels such as NDTV Profit and CNBC, etc. Thank you one and all.